hungry.
Me too. Shall I order some biryani?
Nah.
एक आइडिया आया है.
क्या टेंट बनाने का?
नहीं, बिरयानी बनाने का. सिखा भी दूंगा तुझे आज.
Nice idea. So that I don't have to miss your biryani when you are out. I can make it.
Yeah. And I have a lot of trips planned. So let's make biryani and I'll also teach you biryani.
Sure.
Okay. Let's go then. Hello and welcome to Drive Eat Repeat. My name is Uday. If you're new to our channel, please do subscribe and check out all the other videos of our channel. We make really nice travel, food, events and automobile related videos. And in this video, I'm going to teach my wife how to make biryani. I'm kind of an expert in making biryani in my home. And this is the quickest and the easiest way to make a biryani. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. We're going to make a delicious biryani and we're going to have a lot of fun. Before we begin with the rest of the preparation, let's wash and soak the rice in some water. Rice is all washed and set to soak. Here is some saffron water. We just put 2 strands of saffron in this water and the water is completely changed to the saffron color now. Chicken is all washed and cleaned. Let's go ahead and marinate this chicken now. We'll marinate it with some homemade fresh masalas. Let's start with some chili powder and also some Kashmiri chili powder. So let's put some dhania powder now. It's the coriander powder that's freshly grinded. And some biryani masala and some garam masala. You can also use garam masala to garnish the finished biryani. You can just sprinkle it on top of the biryani. That gives a really nice smell. And some ginger garlic paste, salt and some curd. Let's give this a nice mix now. So with all of those masalas and some curd and some ginger garlic paste, our marinade is ready and I've mixed it up really nicely well, made sure that every piece of the chicken is completely doused in this. There are a few things that we'll be mixing up in this. We'll be using fried brown onions, also some mint and coriander, freshly chopped. We will put all of those remaining ones into this marinade and we'll keep it aside while we boil the rice.
So some gardening tip as well. This is called as pruning and cutting the edge of the pudina. It will help your pudina plant to grow.
While the water is getting boiled, we'll put some whole garam masala into it. Here goes a star anise, some shah jeera, 4 cloves, couple of ilaichis, a cinnamon stick, a couple of bay leaves, and some javitri, and some ghee. As you can see, the water is boiling right now. So we will now move the soaked rice into the boiling water. Rice is parboiled. It's almost done up to 70%. I'm just slicing a lemon and I'm going to put some lemon juice into this parboiled rice so that it stops the cooking process there. It kind of slows down the cooking process. Let's quickly do that. So de-seeding the lemon and squeezing the lemon juice. So I'm going to drain the water from this rice and I'm going to move the rice into another bowl. Now it's time to assemble the biryani. So this is the utensil in which we'll be assembling the biryani. Before we assemble the biryani, I'm going to cook this marinade on a slow flame for about 5 to 7 minutes and then we will assemble the biryani. In goes some ghee and a little bit more. Yes. The chicken is all set now and it's simmering on a really slow flame. Now we'll assemble the rice in it. So I'm going to do layer by layer. What am I going to do is, I'll just put a little bit of rice and then I'll just spread this rice over the chicken. Slowly, gently and evenly. I'm going to put some saffron water over the rice. This is the last layer of rice, and now we'll spread it. Alright, and now the saffron water. And some ghee. And now we'll seal this. I'm going to use some aluminum foil to wrap this up, and we'll also close this thing so that it cooks in its own steam. It is all sealed now, and the final thing to do here is we will be leaving this particular utensil just like it is, but we will place a pan under this one so that it gets really indirect heat and for a long time.
Kind of a slow cooking are you talking about?
Yes. So it's all placed. I'm going to increase the flame for just a few seconds so that the pan gets all heated up for about a minute, and then I will put it on a really slow flame and leave it aside for about 30 to 40 minutes. And once this dum process is done, when your home gets filled with the aroma of biryani, you will know that your biryani is all done and ready. I'm now reducing the flame, and we'll leave it aside for about 30 to 40 minutes. The biryani is all ready. We can smell it all over the house. Just turning the stove off. Super hot. It's still simmering. It's just cooking in the same heat. This is how it looks. I don't know if you can hear it. So we'll just leave it like that for a few minutes. For about 5 to 10 minutes, we'll leave the biryani like that. And then it'll be ready to serve and it'll be ready to eat.
It's smelling awesome.
Did you learn to make biryani now?
I don't know about that, but I'm going to have this video saved in my watch list to make it again.
I see you made something. What is this?
That's bundi raita. We have mirchi ka salan with biryani and another like onion raita. But I didn't want to have that, and I had some bundi, so I just made a bundi raita.
That's nice. All right, time to serve. Okay, look at that. Oh, lovely. आ गया
Bhook
खाना
lagi hai, khana do.
आ गया
To be
खाना
precise, biryani do.
Here's the biryani, RP. Taste it and let me know how it is. How is it?
Awesome.
So that is it, everyone. That was the quickest and easiest biryani that you could make. If you loved it, do let us know. And I'll see you in another video with something more exciting. Until then, take care and have fun. See you.